अभी तो जन्म हुआ है, अभी तो now this film has a long way
Yes,
to grow up and really mature.
true.
Bharat is that part of our country that is just trying to survive till the next meal. I've always been hardworking as an actor because I know that that pays off for me. It's not that I've not been, because actor तो अपनी acting से ज्यादा ये भी देखना चाहता है कि मेरा बेस्ट रोल है कि नहीं, मेरा बेस्ट डायलॉग है कि नहीं, मैं
Hmm.
कैसे करूंगा, मुझे ऐसे लगता है.
Hello and welcome to Spotlight. This is Anita in conversation with the hot news right now. That is Arjun Kapoor. Hi. Because अरे यार, I'm not kidding, Arjun. So last we spoke during the grandson promotions, and since then I'm not kidding. Everyone is only talking about Sandeep and Pinky Farad and grandson. मैं ये एक दो हफ्ते से यही सुन रही हूँ. So that's why I'm saying you're the
चलो
hot
बहुत
news
अच्छी बात है.
currently. Yes,
I'm
you're the
very happy being hot
hot.
property for my work. I'm very very happy.
Yes, yes. So, ek to I'm going to start. You're supposed to give us a treat or a success party, whatever happens. But two films that are doing really, really well for you. So, please talk on that first. Are you going to give me
Well,
a
firstly,
success party ka thing or no?
Firstly, thank you. Yes, I do owe myself a success party, and that would be nice to celebrate with all you people that have been with me through thick and thin and up and down. So, yeah, that is long overdue. Or jab, hopefully situations will get better and we'll be able to interact. Of course, that is overdue, and we will keep that in mind. लेकिन इस समय I'm still soaking it in यार. ये तो आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ. लोग मैसेज कर रहे हैं, कॉल कर रहे हैं. It's been overwhelming to say the least. मैं थोड़ा सुकून अब महसूस होने लगा है. हफ्ता भर बीता है. The kind of feedback Sardar and Farrar are getting.
Yeah.
You get calls, messages. It's validating because everybody works hard. You work hard, I work hard, but you sometimes you need a little bit of a pat on your back, and sometimes you need a little bit of a of a stamp of approval from the audience that you work so hard for, and you live and die by the audience verdict. I'm just very very happy that this time they've given me that oxygen supply that I needed in a very difficult time in everybody's lives, to be able to get a
Yeah.
glimmer of hope and to feel that I've been able to connect and touch upon people's lives and make them smile, make them think, make them wonder, get them curious. I feel as an actor, there's no bigger validation than at a time like this also to be able to get
Yeah.
people excited to watch your work. So I'm very, very grateful to the audience.
Yeah. So I was just speaking to Dibakar a few minutes back, and he also mentioned that we are just soaking in the
Yeah.
appreciation, the love that is coming our way. At the same time, we are letting it breathe, letting the movie breathe. Do you agree on the same thing? You're letting the movie breathe,
Yeah.
and
यार देखो अभी तो फिल्म का की जर्नी शुरू हुई है. When the film comes in, you're now getting real time feedback from people. There will be, now you'll recommend it to people who'll watch it at their space, at their
yeah,
time, in their pace. They'll draw out of it, they'll talk about it, they'll tell more people. So you have to allow this film to live. I think अभी तो जन्म हुआ है, अभी तो now this film has a long way
yes,
to grow up and really mature. And I'm not saying it with any arrogance. I'm just saying it with the genuineness that the film is a slow burner, even in the sense that it will all. It's the kind of film that you'll go to sleep thinking about and wake up in the morning with new thoughts in your head, because it is a film that
yes,
makes you think about a lot of things that our country is dealing with on a day-to-day basis. I'm not even talking about the bigger things. I'm saying रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी की चीजों के बारे में बहुत बातचीत है इस फिल्म के अंदर. So I feel it's a very interesting film to start conversation. So for that you need to let it breathe, so you can
yeah,
all appreciate it, simmer down, understand, assimilate, have dialogue about it. Agree to
yeah,
disagree, try and empathize with the characters, try and see how much you are like the characters, or if you know people like that. Such situations that you never saw, ki, "Oh, that is not something that is right in society." It's. I feel the film has raised interesting questions, and the
yes,
answers will come in the due course. So we need to let those answers arrive. Also.
right. So Arjun, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you back to the time when Dibakar came to you with the script.
Started the narration. And Sandeep और पिंकी फरार में मुझे पता कि मैं पिंकी हूँ. उसके बाद नरेशन जब स्टार्ट हुई, he explained it very nicely to me before he actually got into the full film. He said, just remember this, Sandeep is India and Pinky is Bharat. और अब
Okay.
भारत इंडिया की कशकश है. There is friction, and
Hmm.
that actually just drew me into the film. That India and Bharat, that class divide, that social divide,
Hmm.
the elite versus the common man. That struggle was far more, the power struggle was far more interesting to me at that point, because the gender duality or inequality or the patriarchy were all layers that once I discovered the whole script, okay, that's also there. But from the
Yeah.
get go, here is this woman trying to make it in a man's world, and India always wants to be known worldwide, and they want to be boisterous about it, in the sense
Yeah.
India is at that point where you want the world to notice.
True.
Bharat is that part of our country that is just trying to survive till the next meal. कि बस आज का दिन अच्छा बीत जाए ताकि कल की शुरुआत हो सके. And we would witness in the last year and a half also, there is this two sides. तो जब वो
Yeah.
दोनों एक सिचुएशन में अटकते हैं, वो दो क्लास के लोग, तो क्या मुठभेड़ होती है, क्या हो सकता है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट फरार इज इन इट्स एसेंस.
Yeah.
Then everything else
Right.
forms. So I really enjoyed that aspect of it in the beginning, and then obviously by the end of it, the climax got me stumped, saying, "Okay, it's amazing that this man is seeing me like this. I'm happy he is, but it's amazing that he is, and I'm nervous about it. That saying that he has confidence, I can do that, because बाकी सब तो चलो आप मेहनत करोगे, रगड़ोगे, आपको विश्वास है कि
Hmm.
डायलेक्ट से लेके वो बॉडी लैंग्वेज से लेके वक्त बिताना है, और साथ में जो फरार गाने की बात की थी कि wants to dance, you can work all that out, but that climax is vision. I
Hmm.
can't envision that for myself. I
Right.
don't think anybody else can envision that except Divakar Banerjee. So that
Right.
climax, you have to give him that credit, yeah, because वहां तक मैं एकदम I was sold, and at the end of the film narration, I always told him, I said, यार ये आपके ऊपर है, ये मुझे नहीं पता, ये this is not something I can even comment on. I'm just going to go with the conviction, because I want the story to be told. I love working with this director. That's what I wanted. So I said I'm going to go with your conviction, and which I'm glad I did, and I'm so happy that he's chosen me for Pinky.
Right. Dibakar also mentioned that when he was working on the script, when he was working on your character, he went to Adi, and Adi was the one who said, Arjun wants to try out something new. Arjun wants a challenge for
Yeah,
himself, and
yeah.
this film would be that. So, what was the conversation between you and Adi before the script came to you, regarding the challenge that you want in your career?
I don't think it was like so specific when Adi sir and we speak. It's about so many things. We talk about all the things that I'm dealing with, or he thinks, or whatever. जो चल रहा है, माहौल है, जो situation है. Uh, Obviously, I was very excited to come out of my comfort zone after establishing myself. After Ishaq Zadeh was out of my comfort zone, then I did a lot of films that catered to the mainstream audience, and I went into my comfort zone. I did a Finding Fanny in between, but I was also
Hmm.
interested in pushing myself. And at that point in time, I'd finished doing Half Girlfriend and Mubarak, I remember.
Yeah.
And I wanted to be able to be that guy that goes from this end of the spectrum. I wanted to be that guy who can go from this end of the spectrum to that end. I wanted to test myself. I remember I told Adi for that I want to push myself. I'm ready to push the envelope as an actor, and he had kept that in mind, perhaps. So when Divakar sir went to him, it just panned out that way. That conversation must have just stuck in
Yeah.
Adi sir's mind. I've always been hardworking as an actor, because I know that pays off for me. It's not that I've not been. Um, it, the perception becomes that because you're playing to the gallery and you're doing mainstream cinema, it feels like you're not putting in effort and hard work. You are, but in different things. This was one such film where I could go into the craft, and I was excited about the craft. So that is why I think Adi sir knew I have this side to me also, because he had seen the
Right.
effort I put in Ishaq Zadeh to become Parma. I'm not Parma. कुछ नहीं होता था देख ले. I'm not that guy. I'm more Krish from Two States and Kabir from Key and Ka in that sense. But he knew that I can become huge head, not heart. I can become Pinky. So yeah,
Right. But do you also agree that the audience and the people love you in serious characters, in this, because you're getting immense love for this character, and you had got immense love for other films as well. But Ishaq Zadeh and this film, वो प्यार उभर आ रहा है audience के through. Do you agree?
yeah. Perhaps the characters. I would say, forget not the serious nature, but maybe the realistic nature of characters. Perhaps the rough around the edges, the rawness, the
Hmm.
vulnerability, the real show of emotion, in the sense the angst, the eyes being able to talk, the physicality, everything coming together. There's a certain dirt and grind and grit that both the characters have. वो मिट्टी के characters हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं जब मैं मिट्टी के किरदार निभाता हूँ तो और लोग पसंद करते हैं. I've also got appreciation for doing Aurangzeb and Finding Fanny at various parts of my life. So मेरी कोशिश हमेशा ये रहती है that I play the character to the best of my ability. Sometimes the directors are able to write characters that are more realistic and more raw and more there's a certain animalistic quality, and I think maybe that works for me on camera, and people enjoy that little uh, unpredictable side to my personality in those characters. I guess I have to keep that in mind going forward.
Right. Also, do you think when you and Pari come on
जी.
screen, y'all create a different kind of magic altogether? You both are that magic that we all look forward to.
I think when you put Pariniti and me at loggerheads, we create magic in that sense, because you can see with Ishaqzadeh and Farrar that happens when we create energy by being two forces of energy that collide in different
Yeah.
ways, and that creates a lot of chemistry, that creates a lot of energy, that creates a lot of, you can see it come alive on screen. There's a certain amount of, you can feel the, आपको महसूस होता है अपने आसपास कि ये है इन दोनों के बीच में कुछ, and it's not always romance. There's just there's certain back and forth and a push and pull. वो
Yes.
दोस्ती नहीं है ना, वो रोमांस है, वो कहीं ना कहीं हमारी दोनों की डेस्टिनी है जो इंटरट्वाइंड है, जो हम दोनों को एक दूसरे की तरफ खींचती है, एंड देन वी पुल each other in different directions. It's like just pulling each other to see what comes out of it, and it works well on screen. It really translates well, and the audience likes it. तो हम कौन है जो मना करे कि हम, अब तो वही है कि भाई एक और ले आओ, हम कर लेंगे और झगड़े करेंगे. If you're telling me I'm going to get paid to fight with Pariti Chopra on screen, I'm happy to consider.
But you'll always have tu meme, huh?
Yeah,
Have banter between
our
each other.
relationship hinges in a very loving way with that, but it translates perhaps well because we have that comfort. We are comfortable making each other uncomfortable on screen to get better work done, and that's a good place to be at as actors.
Right. Also, because maybe she was your first co-star, maybe because of that also it helps, to translate it
Obviously,
on
not.
screen.
There's no denying that. It's not. Perhaps it is. That is the only reason. अगर वो मेरी पहली पिक्चर में नहीं होती मेरे साथ, that film was going to hell and back. Ishaqzadeh is a very tough film, and funnily enough, perhaps the second toughest film of my career is Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. It's just a more mature version of Arjun going into doing Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. So there is a little bit more ठहराव and a little more understanding. I'd done 10, 12 films before I did Farrar. So एक understanding है कि process कैसे होता है. You don't feel the exhaustion as much when you're in the moment. When you come out of it, you feel it more. Ishaqzadeh was consuming every day. Farrar, when you went in, you knew what you're getting into, and when you came out, you realized how consumed you were. So having Pariniti from your first film, knowing how it is, and then having her in this film, I think I'm better off for having Pariniti to play Parma and Pinky. I wouldn't be this version of Parma or this version of Pinky without my Zoya or Sandeep.
Absolutely. So, apart from the actors or the better half of the film, it's also the director. Do you think a director helps to bring out that character in you better?
Obviously, a director is the person who has the vision of the entire film. An actor only sees his point of view and what suits him. बिकॉज एक्टर तो अपनी एक्टिंग से ज्यादा ये भी देखना चाहता है कि मेरा बेस्ट रोल है कि नहीं, मेरा बेस्ट डायलॉग है कि नहीं, मैं कैसे करूंगा, मुझे ऐसे लगता है. डायरेक्टर आपको बताएगा कि आपका कैरेक्टर ये क्यों नहीं कर सकता, ये क्यों करेगा, अगर कुछ लिखा है तो क्यों लिखा है, अगर कुछ नहीं लिखा है तो क्यों नहीं लिखा है. आपके सारे सवालों का जवाब तो डायरेक्टर ही देगा. He will create a path for you to walk on, and if he creates a path that aligns with the entire film's synergy, you create magic. If sometimes he creates a path and you follow it diligently, it doesn't align with everything, the synergy doesn't work to that degree. It happens both ways. But a director, as it's not a pressure thing, but it is the stark reality of when you're trying to push the envelope, the director matters even more. Perhaps when you are doing the quintessential stuff, you need somebody to execute it at a certain level more than just the performance. You need a director who's more of a creator of the world. But when you're talking about doing stuff like Sandeep or Pinky, you even are more reliant on a director because he chooses the sur of a film. मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा का एक सुर वैसे होता है, लेकिन मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा से अगर थोड़ा आगे जाए, जैसे अगर हम फरार की बात करें, इट इज नॉट प्योर मेन स्ट्रीम, इट इज अ लिटिल मोर इंडी इन दैट सेंस, इट्स अ लिटिल मोर new age. It's a little more thinking man cinema.
Hmm.
It's a little more contemporary in that thought process, especially because the themes and the layers and the subtext. You need your director to walk you through it, because अगर आप बहुत ऊंचे हो गए तो बहुत आवाज होती है, तो आप सोच नहीं पाते फिल्म के अंदर. अगर आप बहुत
Yes.
बोरिंग हो गए और अगर आपने सीन्स को डल कर दिया तो लोग ऊब जाते हैं. फिर आप जब काम करते हो उसके बाद द डायरेक्टर also fine tune it and the edit. He has to make sure that the story and the characters lead that balance. So a director is always important in all kinds of films, but in performance-oriented character dramas like Sandeep or Pinky, so you are completely reliant. And Dibakar being a writer himself, being somebody who's lived that side of Bharat and India both equally, uh, he is he. I have to give him credit for Farrar, and I would say most directors deserve credit for whatever work I've done in my career.